Bianca, tell us where we are.
This is at the castle.
Is that a castle? Are we at the ocean?
Yeah.
Yeah, where's Miss Stacy and sisters? They're in the water. Yep, there they are. There's Miss Stacy and Toria. Look at them having fun in that water. Say hi! Miss Stacy's having lots of fun. Oh, here comes Bonker Dog. She's gonna go in the water. She went in the water. Ah!
Wow.
Yeah, she's got some lungs on her. Run away, sis! Run away!
Oh, that's a good jump.
Yeah, come here and show Mommy. What? Are you having fun on the ocean? Yeah, we're in Florida, huh? Did you find a shell or did you find sand? Whoa! They are having so much fun.